how to make a video on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can make a video on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, making a video on Snapchat is actually fairly simple. Now let's say you want to take a certain photo on Snapchat. You open up Snapchat, you just hit the shutter button, just wants to take a certain photo. But if you want to make a video and record a video, first of all you can choose between different type of lenses and filters that you can find. I'll just use the default one. You can choose to switch to the front camera or the back camera. Then you just have to long press to record a video. So when you long press to record a video, you'll be able to use them, and then you can tap the send option to send them basically. This way you can go ahead and then actually record or make a video on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.